Greetings and welcome to the graphics class. Isometric projections, question number 4. A hexagonal pyramid of height 60 mm and side 30 mm is resting on HP, keeping its axis vertical and one edge of the base parallel to VP. Draw the isometric view of the solid. Question is related to an isometric view. Since it is isometric view, there is no need of isometric scale. Straight away we can start the simple position and then we can draw the isometric view of the solid with actual dimensions. How to draw the simple position? It's a hexagonal pyramid. One base edge is kept parallel to VP. So one base edge is parallel to VP. Then you can complete the hexagon accordingly. It's a hexagonal pyramid. So you have to draw the slant edges. This is O, O1, A, B, C, D, E and F. Now we will have the front view. The height is 60, based on that we have drawn. So this is A dash, F dash, B dash. So this should be B, F dash, B dash, E dash, C dash, and this is D dash. This is O dash, O1 dash. You can join O dash, A dash, O dash, D dash. Then O dash, F dash and O dash, B dash are on the same line. So O dash, F dash is actually visible. So we will draw the visible edge. O dash C dash and O dash E dash will come together, but O dash E dash is visible. So visible edge can be drawn. So this is the complete top view and front. Now for drawing the isometric view, you have to go for the box method. So you have to keep the solid inside a box. That is what we are going to do now. So the top view should be inside a box. So I am drawing a box through the extreme ends of the points. I am marking it as, say, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us draw the isometric view. As usual, you can draw the isometric axes which are inclined at 30 degree. Okay. First we have to complete the box. So let this be point 4. I am taking this as point 4 of the box. So I can measure 4 to 1 and mark it here. So I am taking 4 to 1 and marking it here. So this is 1. Now I am having another line which is parallel to this isometric axis starting from 1. And then measuring 1 to 2 and marking it here. So this corresponds to 2. Now I am having another line which is parallel to this isometric axis. It is 2 to 3. So 3 and you are getting 4. The next step is to find out the center. You can do it in both the ways. If you draw the corner to corner lines or the diagonals of this particular rhombus, the midpoint can be O1. The midpoint can be O1. Like that you can do. 1 to 3 you can take and 2 to 4. So this will be the midpoint, that is O1. Or you can have in other way, you can take 1 to A, you can take, then A to O distance you can take. 1 to A here, and then this particular distance. That will also come to O1 itself. Whichever you prefer, you can draw. Anyway, now we have taken the midpoint of the rhombus. Now you can have 60 mm from this O1 to the vertical direction. That is the axis. So this is O and O1. But we need the other points. The other points are, one is point A. It is the midpoint of 1, 4. This is A. And now 1 to B you can take. You can measure and mark it. 1 to B. Similarly, you will get 2 to C. That also will be here. Then D will be midpoint of 2 to 3. So D. And E you will get here. And finally you will get F here. Point F will be here. You can join AB, BC, CD, DE and EF using light lines. You can join AF also. So you have got the isometric view of the hexagon at the horizontal isometric plane. Now you have to join O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, O to E, O to F using light lines. Now about the visibility. Okay, we have completed all the points and all the lines. Now we have to check the visibility. All the outer edges are visible. A to B is visible. Say B to 1 is visible. O to E is visible. E to F is visible. E to F is visible. F to A is also visible. F to A is visible. These are the outermost lines which are visible. Now if you look, say 1 to 4, it is nearer to the observer. The points and the lines which are nearer to 1 to 4 are visible. So O to A is visible. O to A is visible. Now, is there any other edge? Yes. O to F is also visible. O to F is also visible. All other edges, that is OC and OD, are at the rear side which are invisible. So now we have completed this particular problem. So initially we have drawn the simple position of the hexagonal pyramid. After drawing the hexagonal pyramid, we have kept it inside a box, which is known as the box method. Then we have drawn the box initially. Using the box, we have drawn the other points A, B, C, D, etc. here, and we have drawn the axis also. After that, we have completed by taking the outer edges as visible and the other edges which are invisible to the observer. Thank you.